Researchers at Moffitt Cancer Center have developed a new tool that they say will help predict how cancer evolves.
Yeah, Fox 13's Ariel Placencia is live here in studio with us. Ariel, exciting news here. I know their research here is new, but it's super complex. Break it down for us.
That's right. So essentially what they found is that tumors seem to follow some rules. And so they studied the cancer cells.
We know healthy cells grow and divide within the human body in a controlled fashion. But that's not the case with cancer cells. Because when tumors grow, their cells can gain or lose whole chromosomes, which contain your DNA.
One thing that we would like to know is sort of which cancer cells are going to win. Can we sort of get ahead of the cancer in terms of knowing where it might go next?
Basically, which cancer cells are going to survive? Because you might have a tumor that's made up of different kinds of mutated cancer cells. That's what researchers at Moffitt Cancer Center have been studying. And they just developed a new algorithm called alfa-k. They say this tool can predict how cancer cells evolve so doctors can better attack the disease.
For example, a treatment regime that you would apply, we might be able to predict sort of which cells might do well and which cells might do less well under that treatment condition. So that could ideally help us make more informed decisions about sort of what the cancer is going to do next after a certain treatment might be applied.
The American Cancer Society predicts there will be 5,800 new cancer diagnoses every day this year. That's according to the organization's latest annual report, which also found that 7 in 10 people will now survive their cancer 5 years or more. But new stats also show cases of common cancers like breast, prostate, and liver continue to increase.
So really the core question is this cancer in some sense predictable?
And do you guys think that you answered that question?
Yeah, so we developed this tool using cells grown in dishes and also in experiments in mice. And there, at least, we were able to show that we were able to make some predictions that were ultimately validated. So I think yes, but then the caveat is that we would need to, in future work, try and bring those predictions to real patients.
Yeah, and apologies for those earlier audio issues. So the work here, though, not done, but it's certainly a great step. The new alfa-k tool is able to track thousands of individual cells over time. And so moving forward, Moffitt researchers hope this approach will help anticipate how tumors are going to change instead of just reacting after the tumors already become resistant to treatment, guys.
Yeah, targeted treatment like that is so important.
For sure.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Ariel.
Ariel, thanks.